The Global Challenge Cup is an elite tournament. So many clubs unite to see who's the best.
A lot of talk before the match about how these two will line up. Let's see what the managers have gone with.
A 5-2-3 is being used today. It allows them to defend deeply, but spring a ruthless counter-attack.
And the away team have gone with this formation.
It's time for this fixture to get underway. He's read that one absolutely perfectly. Now Dumfries. He's moving fast with the ball. A careless pass there. Ooh, a bad foul. The referee's looking animated. He disliked what he saw.
That one looked like it hurt. Did he get the ball, though?
He got that all wrong. Now Dumfries. Oh, that's a really hard challenge. It's a yellow card. No arguments there from the player. He's launched the ball forward. The assistant's kept his flag down. He's onside. A missed challenge there. And he's one-on-one with the keeper. And there it is. Goal.
He struck at such an important time here to put his team in front. Fantastic goal.
The replay will give us a closer look. Oh, it's a straight red. He's off. Veltman. And back to the goalkeeper.
Good interception.
The defence were caught out, and now he's through on goal. It's Thuram with the goal.
The manager will already be pleased with his efforts for the goal. Let's hope for more of the same.
Well, let's have a look at that one again. Maguire. Oh, shocking challenge. Oh, he can't have any complaints there. It's a yellow card. Tries the shot. Gets in the way of the shot.
He showed a bit too much to the opposition there.
Regains possession. Now DiMarco. Marcus Thuram. Heads it on. They've made the breakthrough. Here's a fantastic chance to score. The keeper read it. They're losing this quarter-final clash. Let's hope the manager can turn things round. So, we're ready to go again for another 45 minutes.
Passing the ball really well.
A misplaced pass. Araujo with the tackle. Oh, that pass could have been better. Long throw. Marcus Thuram. And he's looking, but the assistant's flag is down. And the shot has gone wide. Some tactical decisions from the winning team. These new players will be hoping to see out the win. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Booted forward by the keeper. Oh, that's a poor pass. They're moving the ball about so well. The defender regains possession, and now they're going to try and break. Richarlison. Well cut out. He got that all wrong. Not a great challenge. And the manager's making a change here. He did well to win the ball back. Confident pass. Çalhanoğlu driving forward. Oh, they're in cruise control now. The game is surely all wrapped up. We got the man, not the ball. The manager is bringing two players on. They just can't seem to get into this game. They need to press higher upfield to start creating chances again. He's speeding ahead. Pavard with the ball. Surely now. And the header is off target. The fans thought it had gone in, but let's see how close this was to a goal. They keep hammering the opposition in search of more goals. Oh, that's great determination. We're entering injury time. That's it then. They tried their best, but they'll be going home empty-handed.